and patience, companionship, help, and comfort that a husband and wife should have for each other, both in prosperity and adversity. I therefore have no need to remind you both the serious nature of this occasion as you meet here for public recognition and recording of your marriage. If anyone here knows why these two persons cannot be legally married, they should declare themselves and say so now.
Wala po tututol.
I'm saying that because that is one of the legal function of the marriage celebrant. So we really have to determine kung okay ba kayo dalawa. Positive. Okay. According to the law, you are both required to make a declaration, and this you will make in the presence of witnesses, relatives, friends, who have come to join you in this marriage ceremony. Anthony, do you wish to marry Eleanor?